Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, July 3, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm doing all right, thanks. How about you?
Not too bad. Just need this coffee to kickstart my day.
Same here. I'm still sleepy from staying up late.
Oh, why so late? Working hard again?
Yeah, I had to finish a project plan. It took forever.
I feel you. My sales reports are killing me this week.
Reports are the worst. How many do you have?
Just 2, but they're long. What about you?
I've got 3 tasks to wrap up. It's a busy time?
Tell me about it. Hey, did you catch any news today?
Not yet. Anything interesting?
Yeah, there's something about new trade rules in Europe. They're helping small businesses.
Oh, that's good to hear. What's the plan?
I think they're making it easier to trade. Less paperwork or something.
That's great. Small businesses need all the help they can get.
For sure. It might mean more clients for me.
True. It could open up new markets for us.
Exactly. More markets, more sales, more coffee breaks.
Haha. I like that idea. We'll see how it works out.
Yeah. I hope it's not just talk. We need real change.
Agreed. It's important for the economy too,
Totally. If small businesses grow, everyone's happy.
right? It could create more jobs as well.
Yeah, that's a win. I'll keep checking for updates.
Me too. Let's hope it helps our company.
Fingers crossed. Oh, and there's more news I saw.
What's that? Something fun or serious?
It's about tech. A big company made a new app for work tasks.
Oh, really? What does it do?
It helps with schedules and organizing stuff. Sounds useful.
That's cool. We need better tools for managing time.
Yeah, I'm always forgetting deadlines. This might save me.
Same here. I have so many meetings to track.
Tell me about it. I miss half of mine.
Huh? I know the feeling. Does the app look good?
I think so. People online say it's easy to use.
Nice. I might download it for my projects.
Me too. I'll try it tonight after work.
Let me know if it's worth it. I'm curious.
Deal. If it works, I'll tell everyone in the office.
Good idea. We all need help with tasks.
For sure. Hey, did you hear about that big music event?
Know what's happening. Tell me.
There's a huge concert abroad. Lots of famous stars.
Oh wow, where is it happening?
In a big city somewhere. I forgot the name.
That sounds amazing. I love live music.
Me too. I wish I could go and see it.
Same. Do you know who's performing?
Not all the names, but really big singers.
That's exciting. It's nice to have fun events.
Yeah, it's a good break from work stress, don't you think?
For sure. Music always cheers me up.
Same here. I might watch some clips online.
Good idea. I'll check if it's on streaming too.
Cool. Maybe we can talk about it tomorrow.
Yeah, let's do that. I miss going to concerts.
Oh, me too. Last one I went to was ages ago.
Same. Work keeps us too busy for fun.
Tell me about it. We need a holiday.
Haha, yes. A holiday with music sounds perfect.
Totally. Hey, how's your day looking today?
Pretty full. I've got 2 meetings and a report.
Ouch, that's a lot. I've got 3 client calls.
Good luck with those. Clients can be tricky.
Thanks. Yeah, they always ask for discounts.
I bet. Just keep smiling.
Always do. How's your project coming along?
It's okay. Just a lot of small details to fix.
Details are the worst. They take so much time.
Yeah, but I can't skip them. It has to be perfect.
True, you're really good at that stuff.
Thanks, David. I just try to stay organized.
It shows. Hey, did you finish your coffee?
Almost. It's so good this morning.
Yeah, best part of the day. Want another one?
No thanks. One is enough for now.
All right. I might grab a second cup.
Go ahead. Don't drink too much, though.
Don't worry. Just 2 today, I promise.
Fair enough. Hey, any plans after work?
Not much. Just chilling at home.
Same here. I need a quiet night.
Yeah, work is enough drama for one day.
Huh? So true. I just want to relax.
Me too. Maybe watch some TV or something.
Sounds good. I might read a book.
Nice. Hey, did you talk to the boss today?
Not yet. I have a quick meeting later.
Oh, good luck. I hope it's not bad news.
Thanks. I think it's just about the project.
Cool. My boss keeps emailing me reminders.
Haha, mine too. They never stop.
Never. Hey, did you see the new guy in sales?
Yeah, I did. He seems nice.
Yeah, he's okay. I showed him the coffee machine.
That's helpful. It's the most important spot.
Uh-huh, for sure. Can't work without coffee.
So true. It's like our office fuel.
Exactly. Hey, I should get back to my desk.
Yeah, me too. I've got a lot to do.
Same here. Have a good day, Alex.
Thanks, David. You too.
See you later. Don't work too hard.
I'll try not to. See you tomorrow.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.